In this video, we will learn how to reverse a TikTok video. So let's begin. So the process of having a reverse TikTok video on Android iPhone is almost similar, so you don't need to worry. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected, simply go and open up your TikTok app. So here we go. Uh, Once it is open, you can simply go and create a new video by tapping on this plus icon at the bottom middle. So tap on this. So in my case, I would be creating a simple video and would reverse that video. For example, I am going from this laptop towards this window like this one. So here we go. Now this is the video, and I would now move on to the next screen by clicking on this tick icon. And once I am on the next screen, here we go. Now it's going from laptop to window. Now go and tap on this effects icon, so you can see an effects icon at the bottom. Tap on this, and once you are here, you have different categories at the bottom, including visual, sticker, transition, split, and time. So simply tap on time. Now you have an option of reverse, so you tap on this reverse. So once you do a reverse, what it would do is it would start from the window and go towards the laptop. So the video is now reversed. To save this effect, simply go and tap on the save button at the right top corner. Now the effect is saved. It is starting from the window going towards the laptop. So hope it has helped you in having a reverse video on TikTok, either on iPhone, Android, or any other phone. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and